I suppose I should also put my public Git repo. So, let me do that. Okay, so it's Codeberg. Let me go open that up. Oh, not in my browser, not in my private browser, in my normal browser. All right, Codeberg. Codeberg, Osloy, and then what's it called? USA that. Okay, cool. So let me go put that in my README. Public Git repo. Bam. Okay, cool. So I didn't actually get around to it. So let me explain again. So these highlights right here are all happening using Canvas, and I want to instead use SVG because that fits in with Reagent and React a lot better. Here's my React version. The PDF background is still drawn using a Canvas element, but the overlay, the SVG elements overlay is now it's going to be SVG, or at least that's the goal. Okay, and so let me dive into that. Source TO TUO USA app. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. I want to draw an SVG element at all. How am I going to do that? Display content, draw rect. Ah, yes. Okay, cool. So here I'm going to define rect. Get rect. Let's see. What do I want to call this? Highlight. Highlight. So that's going to take an X, Y, width, height, color, and then I actually don't need a context, and I don't need a fill color versus stroke color. If anything, I can like take this color and change it somehow to make that happen. Let's see. So I want a rectangle. Whoop. That was rect. Okay, cool. And then I want X, 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 Y, X, Y. I think it's width, and then height. Width, W, H, and is it color? I think this might not be right. What do I call it? State, yeah. Color, RGBA, color. State, arrow color. Let's see. Highlight. I think I can fit it all on one line. Is this how to make a rectangle in SVG? SVG rectangle. Rect element, X, Y, width, height, RX and RY. What are RX and RY? Rounded corners? No, that doesn't sound right. X, radius of rounded corners. Y-axis radius of rounded corners. X-axis radius. I don't know what that means. Okay, so we got SVG rect fill. Ah, that's probably what I want. Fill. Yeah, fill. And then I'm really curious what is the difference between the. Oh, that's cool. What is the difference between a X rounding and a Y rounding. I'll have to come back to that. But, okay, so now that I have that, I need to go find whatever draws this and add a highlight to it. Canvas. It's a canvas somewhere. Page section component. Page component. Where's like the canvas? Oh, PDF canvas. Yeah, this is probably it. PDF canvas. And then as a sibling to that, oh, I think I need a fragment here. Because these two things should be siblings of each other. And then I want one more thing, which is the highlight. And I'll do X, Y. Actually, for Y, I'll say 10. Width, I'll say 40. Height will be 90. Okay. I like doing this so that I can tell for sure which thingy came out where. So like which dimension was 0, which dimension was 10, 40, and 90. Hopefully when it draws a box up here somewhere, or maybe it'll be down here. I hope it's one of those two places. I hope it's on this page somewhere. And then I want a color, so that's going to be state get rainbow color. And I think I have to give it a number. Is it a number? Yeah, an index. Okay, so 0, let's say. Does that... I don't see a color anywhere. Maybe I have to refresh the page. Nope. Okay, so it's not showing at all. Let's see. X, Y, width, height, highlight. Is this being drawn? Rendering page, highlight. Oh, is it being drawn after? No. Where did PDF Canvas come from? PDF Canvas, relative inline block. Oh, I have to do something like absolute. View position equals absolute or something. Yeah, let me go look into that. Is that a style thing? Diff wrapper position. Yeah. Canvas. Yeah, I'm not sure where to put that. Oh, I think I need to surround this in an SVG tag. SVG. And then on this, I need to put position, absolute. Let's see what that does. Nothing. If I refresh. Still, oh, black. All right, well, that looks like it's drawing X 0, Y 0. Shoot. How do I get it to be up at the top? Do I need to do this one also? Position absolute. Dang it. Okay. Alright, so I'm getting the SVG drawing, but it's drawing in the wrong spot. How do I get it to overlay? I had it overlaid before in code that I was doing, but I tried to change too much at once and I got lost. But I stashed those changes, so let me go look at the stashes. Abandoned attempt to convert to SVG. Yeah, let me go look into that. Okay, so I got XY, width, height, color, rectangle. Oh yeah, fill. Oh, fill. That's, let me go look at that. Color, highlight. Yeah. Alrighty. Okay, so it's red now. That's good. I'm not sure why I have to refresh the whole page. That part is kind of weird. Should probably look into that. Let me go back to... Actually, yeah, let me just save this as I've made the SVG draw at all. Made the SVG rectangle highlight draw at all. Okay, and that will be up on Origin soon. That is 4223E36. Where is Origin? Codeberg. You go here. It's at this URL. Cool. That's it for that video.